Okay? Structured one. Structured learning, or the so-called formal learning. And then we have so-called non-formal learning, skills development. Skills development. There is a need for you to develop new skills for you to stay on track with these new situations. Pag sinabi naman natin informal learning, it also involves the mga seminars natin, itong mga engagements natin sa ating komunidad. Halimbawa, nagpunta ka sa isang social gathering. You listen to the elders. Marami kang matututunan sa kanila. These are learning probably not in the books, but very essential sa atin. Yeah? So yan. Okay. Dalawang kurso ang hindi ino-offer na dapat nating tingnan. Ano yung una? Bachelor of Science in Life Experience. Meron bang course na yan? Meron bang kurso na gano'n? Pangalawa, Bachelor of Science in Life Discarded. Yeah? Maraming magagaling, kulang sa diskarte sa buhay. Okay? So dapat tingnan natin ang mga ito. Okay? Confident. When you speak about confident, it's the result of your daily preparation. Dalawang elemento ng confidence. Number one is you believe in your abilities and you trust on what you believe. Okay? Confidence is not a magic, but it is a tool for you to be able to deliver what is expected from you. Not only simply to meet the minimum requirements, but even exceeding what has been expected from you. Eh sabi nila, saan po ang pinaka mayaman na lugar sa buong mundo? Saan? Saan ang pinakamayaman? Saan? Ang pinakamayaman nasa sementeryo. Kasi doon ay baon ang ating mga pangarap, ang ating mga kakayahan, ang ating mga magagandang mga intention sa buhay. And because we lack confidence, nung tayo po ay pumanaw, kasama rin natin na ipaon, mga kaibigan. Okay? And that's why this is so much important. How to build that confidence level in a way that you don't practice the so-called hubris. Hubris is false confidence. Paniniwalain mo ang mga tao na kaya-kaya mo, pero sa actual, wala naman. Sabi ko nga, sa my staff, numbers won't lie. And sasabihin mo sa akin, yes sir, but what we're looking for is more than the result. The result. But for you to be able to get the result, you need to understand the process. Yeah?